Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam from BSc Tech. In today's video we are going to attach an iPad mini first generation on this car dash mount. For that reason you need a magnetic car phone holder which you can easily grab from eBay or Amazon or from any online website, and also an iPad or an Apple iPad device, whether it's a 7.9 inch or 9.7 inch depending on your car. So today we have an iPad mini with a Toyota D4D 2010. Unfortunately, the media player size is slightly smaller than the iPad itself, so we can't replace that with the iPad. And obviously we will be using this magnetic dashboard holder, but only one part, since we have the magnetic part already placed on our air vent which we will be using. And on the left side we have this wireless charging dock which we will be using for our phone. The whole idea is to utilize this device which was sitting around for quite some time, and obviously to save some battery life when we drive. And obviously you can use it for any purpose, for example streaming music. And if you get hands on with an iPad which is cellular, then the plus point is you would not be able to go through the hassle to connect with your phone as a hotspot. So you can buy like a pay-as-you-go SIM card and or data plan, and you can just run your iPad on the go. Easy for kids, and especially for those people who are traveling. Instead of spending a lot of money, you can grab these iPads for just under 40 or 50 pounds or dollars, depending on where you're buying from, and this will do the job perfectly fine. Today we have these two magnetic sticks. We will be using this adhesive tape which will peel off and attach this nicely right in the middle of the iPad, so it can balance the weight when we attach this with a magnetic phone holder. So as you can see guys, that this magnetic plate is properly placed on the right in the middle. And now we are going to do a trial run on Google Maps. It's easy guys, it will save you a lot of battery, especially for those people who are going to use Wi-Fi iPads instead of cellular ones. And when they drive around, you'll have a slightly bigger screen in front of you, especially when you navigate or use navigation. And as you can see that the maps are running perfectly fine. This one is with iPad mini first generation. It will not fail. We have done a short run in on this one with a few left and right turns and some bumps as well, and it stays there. If you find it uncomfortable, you can use two magnet holders and two metal plates at the back. So that was it for today's video guys. I hope you have enjoyed it, and you can get use of your old iPad mini. Instead of selling it, you can use it in your car. Lucky enough, if you have a car which has a similar size of console or a slightly narrow place where you can easily intact that. Stay tuned, take good care of yourself, have a good day, bye bye.